All right, people, so I'm back to show you how to create compound shapes with union and then subtraction. So shapes are great. All these are, wonderful. You can put them together, but to make them all into one shape, we select them. And then up here is compound shapes, create compound shapes. So if you're just doing union, I think you just hit that button and now you can see that all these shapes are one and you can change their fill all at the same time. They're all one shape now. So I'm just gonna go through, do a couple more. Again, you just drag out your selection. So I selected all three of those circles and then it's union. And now it's all one shape. So you can really build some really interesting things just by union compound shapes. So again, these were all individual circles. I just put them together and made a weird shape, selected them, and then hit union. The other thing I wanted to show you is you can easily duplicate shapes. Like this is just one triangle right now. If you hold down Option or Alt when you're clicking and dragging it, it's going to make a copy. So I'm literally just holding down Option, clicking and dragging, and it's dragging out a copy. And then you can select all of them and hit union. Boom, it's a compound shape. And again, you can adjust the whole fill. So compound shapes have a couple other tools. Subtraction is the one that I use a ton. These other ones I don't. You can play around with them, but definitely understand subtraction. It's basically subtracting out one of the shapes that's on top. So if you drag out and select a couple shapes that are like overlapped and then hit subtract, it subtracts the shapes that are on top. That didn't work exactly the way I wanted. So let's try just two shapes and then hit subtract. All right. You can also do that again, like right here. Whoops, come on. Can you do two compound shapes? There we go, and subtract. So just to give you another idea, to make like crescents, there's just one oval right now. I'm gonna hit Option, drag out another oval, and then select both of them. So I'm trying to get this crescent shape right here and hit subtract. I use that a ton to get like crescent shapes. You can do more advanced things if you add a bunch. Like, well, I'm not sure how this can work. So we'll select just those and then hit subtract. Yes. Okay. And then we do this and subtract. So you're basically like taking bites out of shapes. Again, with this one right here, I have this fun shape. I'm just gonna put it on top of a circle, oval color. Select both of them and then hit subtract. So it's subtracting one shape from the other. Hope this helps. Hope this gives you a couple good ideas for creating unique compound shapes with union. Again, the tool for compound shapes is right up here, and a little caret right here. Gives you all the options for subtract. So do subtract down here. You can play around with intersect and difference, but honestly, I don't use them too much. I do use union and subtract a lot. Hope you have fun with this.